This Faceless channel is getting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars every month with the help of AI. In today's video, I will show how to create these types of videos by using AI. This video is divided into 4 steps. Step 1, we need a script for our video, so I use ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. Write a YouTube short script about dark psychology manipulation tips. Wait a minute for ChatGPT to write a complete quality script in a minute. Now ask ChatGPT to write 7 visual prompts about the script. Now ChatGPT will give you 7 engaging prompts for AI images. Going to step 2, voiceover. For the voiceover, I use 11 Lab because it's free and generates a realistic voice. Go to 11 Lab, select any good voice, and go to ChatGPT, copy the entire script, and paste it here. Now, click on Generate. Step 3, images. For the images, I will use Leonardo AI. Create your free account, which will give you 150 credits every day. Now click on AI Image Generator and select Albedo Base XL. Now go to ChatGPT, select the first image prompt, paste it on Leonardo AI, select the aspect ratio of 9:16, and click on Generate. Now repeat this process of generating images using ChatGPT prompts. After finishing this process, step 4, video editing. Now open CapCut and add all the images you generated from Leonardo AI. Now, add the voiceover you generated from 11 Lab. Then, you can add any transition you want here for your video to be more engaging. After completing the editing, click on Auto Captions, select any good templates you like, and click Generate. Now, download the video and upload it on YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe. It gives me motivation to keep uploading information-packed videos.